Yes, teacher.
Very good. So now, I will check your attendance. So if your name is called, say your favorite fruits or vegetables. Bacaso? Apple. Morelio? Okay, very good. All of you are present today. Can you give yourself a round of applause? Now, before we start our new lesson, we will have a recap first of our last topic. So what is our topic last meeting? Morelio? Fruits and vegetables. Very good. It's about fruits and vegetables. So who can give me examples of fruits?
Watermelon.
Of fruits.
Watermelon.
Correct. Okay, thank you. Correct. Watermelon is an example of fruits. Now, for our motivation, I will read a story. All you need to do is to listen carefully because afterwards I will ask some questions. Now, the title of the story is The Brothers. What is the title again? Brothers. Now, the brothers, Oscar, Lino, and Teddy are brothers. They are always together and get along with, except with the choice of food and food habits. Oscar eats a lot and is always the last of the three to finish his meal. He only eats a small amount of fruits and vegetables, but he eats a lot of food and food habits. Oscar eats a lot and is always the last of the three to finish his meal. He only eats a small amount of fruits and vegetables, but he eats a lot of junk foods. On the other hand, Lino simply eats enough food. He loves eating fruits and vegetables and avoid junk foods. While Teddy is picky about food, he does not eat fruits and vegetables, but he eats junk foods a lot. So, what are the title of the story again?
The brothers.
Who are the three brothers? Yes, Christy?
Oscar, Leno, Teddy.
Very good. Oscar, Leno, and Teddy. So, do they have the same choice of food?
No.
Yeah, why?
Because Oscar eats a lot of junk food and also Teddy, but Lino is more on vegetables and fruits.
Very good. So, now do you have idea of what will be our lesson this morning?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Diana?
It's all about the components of malnutrition, teacher.
Very good. Our lesson this morning is all about the components of malnutrition. But before we dig deeper with our discussion, let's read first our objectives. At the end of the lesson, 80% of the students will be able to identify what is malnutrition, explains the causes and symptoms of undernutrition and overnutrition. And the task is demonstrates good decision-making skills in making food choices. So now we will discuss about malnutrition. So please read.
It's a condition that happens when your diet does not contain the right amount of nutrition.
So malnutrition is a condition that happens when your diet does not contain the right amount of nutrients.
Nutrients.
It will be happen if you are not eat healthy food, just like fruits and vegetables.
Vegetables.
So malnutrition causes illness or not physically fit to do some activities. So to prevent this, you have to eat a healthy foods. Of malnutrition. We have undernutrition and overnutrition. Let's discuss first the undernutrition. Please read, everyone.
This eating too little and not getting junk food.
Very good. The boy is not eating fruits and vegetables and love to eat junk food. So now let's proceed to under nutrition. Please read everyone.
Means eating too much.
Overnutrition means eating too much. So what do you observe in the picture? Yes?
The boy is very big, teacher.
Very good. The boy is very big. And overnutrition is caused by consuming more nutrients than your body needs. So again, what is malnutrition? Christine?
It's a condition that happens when your diet does not contain the right amount of nutrients.
And what are the two forms of malnutrition?
Undernutrition and overnutrition.
So, two forms of malnutrition is undernutrition and overnutrition. So, if a person suffers malnutrition, is he or she considered a healthy person? Aurelio? No, teacher. Why? Why is it? None, so no, so if a person suffers from malnutrition, he or she is not considered a healthy because she is suffered illness or not physically fit to do some activities. So it is very important to eat the right kind of food, just like fruits and vegetables, to become healthy and to avoid malnutrition. Now I will group you into three groups. This will be group 1, group 2, and group 3. All you need to do is to put check. The task is check your nutrition life skills. All you need to do is to put check if your answer is yes or no. And what is your plan or decision upon reading the question? So let's answer first the first question. I maintain a healthy weight. It is a yes or a no?
Yes.
Sure. So what is your plan or decision? Anyone? Yes?
My plan, teacher, I will eat a lot of healthy fruits and vegetables.
Very good. To maintain healthy weight, you need to eat fruits and vegetables. So I will give you 10 minutes to answer. Good class, you have answered it correct. So let's give yourselves a round of applause. Now for your activity, the direction is fill out the crossword puzzle with the correct terms using the given row. So I will give you 5 minutes to answer the question. Please pass. The teacher. Okay, please pass it forward. So for your assignment, so kindly get your assignment notebook and copy things. So the direction of your assignment is you have to, in your one whole sheet of paper, answer the following questions. So the first one is, what is nutritional needs? Number 2 is, what is malnutrition? And the last is, enumerate 3 types of micronutrients deficiency. So do you have any questions or clarification regarding for our topic for your assignment? No?
None so far, teacher.
Now please stand up. Goodbye.